Hi friends, welcome to #TechieMit. So in continuation of the multi-threading related series, today I'm going to bring a new video on CachedThreadPool in Java. So what is basically CachedThreadPool? Let's read through an example. So to start with, there is a class named CachedThreadPool and there is a main method. So actually what we'll do, we'll see you as usual we'll use the make of ExecutorService. Service execute new CachedThreadPool. Yeah, so this is the new instance created. ExecutorService. And let's say I will create a for loop over here. I'll tell you the reason why. It's like a traditional for loop. And over here, what we'll do, we'll use the ExecutorService and we'll use the submit over here. Create a variable over here. Equal to 5. And this is the final. I created a variable over here, this task ID. So now, what will you use here? We will use the make of system statement. Task ID currently is this is the task that is currently executing. Thread dot current thread dot get name, get the name of currently executing thread. Yeah. So yeah, it is currently executing. After that, yeah. So this is the submit method, and it is currently executing. Now we'll introduce some delay over here so as to execute the multiple threads, and let's see what we what happens when we introduce the delay. So sleep threads for some time. The task ID is currently executed. Yeah, this would be the proper wording. Sometime using the time unit method. Time unit dot seconds dot sleep 2 seconds. Now over here, note it is throwing compilation error, so you should show try catch. So now thread dot current thread dot interrupt. This out. Yeah, so interrupted the task ID, take it specific task causes the interruption. Just take another package. After that, it's over. And then we'll execute the task. The task of specific task ID has been completed. After that, so that the specific task it's completed, and after that this is over. We'll shut down. Shut down. Shut down. Down. Now this is graceful shutdown, so it will shut down the task. Now consider a scenario in which we need to handle the shutdown situation. So we'll handle it using the await termination. Exit service execute using, if not execute service not finish the shutdown. Await termination. So we use 60 tiny net dot seconds. And now over here it's showing is expecting the exception to be handled. So unhandled exception will use the throws keyword over here. So then it will be throws using the exception. Yeah. All tasks have finished execution successfully. So note the difference over here. Out of the once we have submitted this executor service, once all its task is executed, then we encounter the executor service that shut down, to ensure that all the tasks shut down. And if it's not executed, then we explicitly call the executor service that shut down now shutdown hook, because it attempts to stop all actively executing tasks and halts the process of waiting tasks and returns a list of the tasks that were awaiting execution. So what will happen if after every 60 seconds it will return all the list of the tasks that were executing, be it those were completing its execution, or waiting for the timeout to be occurred. So we started with creating an instance of the executor service. After that, with a simple for loop demo, we created a task ID, and we say which are the task currently executed, and after that we introduce some delay over here. We can introduce also like 2, 3, 4, anything. You can take 4 also over here, and taken initially 5 threads. You can take any number of loops, 6, 7, and let's see the demo now. I'll just execute it, run as Java application. task ID to name is one. Yeah. Task of 2 has been completed. See, for this, see the 1/4 of 3, 4, 5, 2. Like as it's randomly executed, it can be executed anytime with like not in the sequence 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as in multi-threading, not any guaranteed sequences there. So like it first printed this line 2, then 5, 4, 3, 1, and also while the completion of the task there in that format 2, 5, 4, 3, 1. So uh, the task that is started first is also completed first, and after that it has successfully printed the line, or all the tasks have been finished execution successfully. So this is executed. You can also execute like it's like more number of threads over there. 7. You can take over here. You can run the Java application. 3, 1, 4, 5, 6, 7. And all the tasks have been completed. And after that, it prints a line. All tasks have finished execution successfully. So like it's done. All yeah, they have been executed. Everything is done now. Say we create 5 threads, 4 threads. We can do this like 80 seconds over here. And use like more delay over here. 6 seconds. Let's see what happens. We produce about 9. That's 9 over here, and we just name of executing thread. Executing thread. You can clear it. Nine. Yeah. See, like as we increase the this second, so like there was a lot of delay included. So only 5 seconds delay we find the 9 tasks. All the tasks were executed successfully, and after that, you printed the line. All the tasks have finished execution. Thread pool. So basically, it creates a thread pool that creates new thread as needed, but it will reuse previously constructed threads when they are available. So yeah, as the importance of cached memory is there, so you can it's reusable memory, and similar concept over here. It basically creates a thread pool as and when needed, but the previously running thread they will also get reused when they are available. These pools are typically improve the performance program that execute many short-lived asynchronous tasks. So like when performance improvement is needed, so using the asynchronous task, so that can be considered as a use case for making the use of CachedThreadPool executor service, and these can be used with there. So this video was all about CachedThreadPool in Java. So with the help of a simple example, and we saw how we can execute how using the sleep method we can increase or decrease the delay in which the tasks are executed, and finally how how they are completed or finished the execution, and after that using graceful shutdown how all the tasks are completed, and like any static message that needs to be display that can be done. So do keep liking, subscribing to #TechieMit. More to come on you on multi-threading related series. Few more videos are certainly there. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Hope for more. Bye for now.